Tutorial we discuss about the program Armstrong number. Armstrong number is that number after Q addition it returns the same value, means 153 is Armstrong number because the cube of 1 plus the cube of 5 plus the cube of 3 is 153. And we discuss about all these parts in this video. Simply click on the next and then project and then console application and then go select the C language and then click on the next, and simply I am giving my title as a hello and click on the next, finish, and my project is displayed here, and simply explore it and then click on the main. This code is automatically generated by the code block, and simply I delete this message and type here this program check the Armstrong number. Okay, simply I declare here the variable int rem and arm comma n and n1, and I simply assign the RAM equals to 0, arm equals to 0, and 1 equals to 0, and simply I write here the printf and then /n, enter the number for check Armstrong, and then terminated with semicolon, and then scanf, and then %d, and then comma ampersand n, and I simply assign the value of n equals to n1, and simply I am using the while loop and giving the condition n greater than 0, and then here RAM equals to n modulo 10, and simply arm equals to arm plus RAM into RAM, and then terminated with semicolon, n equal n divide by 10, and I am giving here the condition if n1 equals to arm, then printf /n number is Armstrong, and terminated with semicolon, and then else part simply write here the printf and then /n number is not Armstrong, and then terminated with semicolon. Okay, and then save it, and I simply elaborate this program, and you look here, simply I am using the printf function, and this program check the Armstrong number, print the message onto the screen, and simply I am declaring here the variable RAM, arm, n and n1. I am assigning the 0 into the RAM and 0 into the arm and 0 into the n1, and in the next line I am using the printf function to print the message, enter the number for check the Armstrong onto the screen, and when the user enter any number, this value stored into the variable n with the help of a scanf function, and simply I am assigning this number into the value of n into the n1 variable, and in the next line I am using the while loop and giving the condition n greater than 0, then control come into the body part and simply this statement RAM equal n modulo division 10 return the remainder of the n and store into the variable RAM. And this statement, this RAM multiply by 3 times to calculate the cube and add with the ARM, and those values assign into the ARM, and this statement simply divide by 10 the value of n divided by 10 and assign to the n. This loop continue until the value of n is greater than 0. So I am simply consider here condition if the value of n equals to 153, suppose that, and on that case the condition is true, and the value of n is 153, and this statement simply return the remainder as a 3 into the RAM, and the value of ARM is 0 plus RAM means 3 into 3 into 3, 27, add with the 0 and assign into the ARM, and simply 153 divided by 10, the answer 15 is stored into the n, and this condition is true, and control again come here, and 15 modulo division 10 return the 5 into the RAM, and the value of 27 added, and the value of 5 multiply by 3 times, and simply 125 added with the 27 and store into the ARM, and those values are simply we say that 152, and here the value of n is 15 and divide by 10, n value store one value stored into the n, and control again come here and check the condition. The n contains the value as a 1. This condition is true, and again control come into the body part, and n modulo 10, the value of n is 1, and then the result is store 1 into the RAM, means this statement simply return the remainder as a 1 into the RAM, and ARM contains the 152 plus, and here 1 multiply by 3 times, and 1 into 1 into 1, and simply 1 added with the 152 plus 153 assign into the ARM, and the value of n is 1 divided by 10 is assigned to the 0, and condition is false, and in the loop is terminated, and here I am giving the condition if the value of n1 means the value of n1 from the starting store the 152, and the value of ARM is 153, sorry, the value of n1 is 153 and the value of ARM is 153, means both value are true, then the number is Armstrong. And if this condition is false, means the value of n1 is other and the value of ARM is other, on that case the condition is false, and then control come into the else part and print the number NUM. Number is not Armstrong. Okay, and then I save it, and simply I run it. First I want to delete this number. Okay, and again save it and run it. Okay, and simply I am passing here the value 153, and the answer is number is Armstrong, and I terminate it. I again run it, and passing the another value 132, and simply enter. The number is not Armstrong. Okay, thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and like my video, and thanks for watching my video, and please comment on my video. Thank you friends.